he still fine or not?
And paragraph 8.2.4 of this exhibit DD5B, accused number 4, Mr. Mapisa, on the number ending 801, made contact with you on the number ending 0137 14 times between 22 July 2018 and 19 February 2020.
Uyasho khona njalo futhi umshushisi ukuthi uMaphisa kumsolo wesine ke ngaphansi kwale mibukiso ka DD5B lapha ngaphansi kuka paragraph 8.2.4 thena kule nombolo zakhe zocingo egcina ngo801 bese baxhumana nawe kule nombolo zakhe egcina ngo013 nashana kamahlandlo awufuthi ishumi nanye ke phakathi kwelanga la nge22 zaka July ngomnyaka we2018 kuze kufinqeke nokugcina ngelanga la nge19 zaka February ngomnyaka ka 2019.
The point is this, Mr. Sbiya, is that the period of this communication in broad brushstrokes coincides with the time when Mr. Constable Zungu was trying to establish contact with Colonel Leshabani about the Senzo Mewa matter.
Athi isathuthi kubuze lokhu kuhambisana nalenkulumo uZungu owayikhuluma Constable Zungu la kade ikhulumisana khona nomnumzana oLeshabani bezama ukuthola ngokushona kukaMufi uSenzo Meyiwe.
uZungu umhlanganisa nokuthi mina ngifolela uMaphisa.
Do you mean to say Zungu is saying that I was communicating with Maphisa?
No, we're talking about the period. We're saying in 2018, 2019, Mr. Zungu was communicating with Lieutenant Colonel Leshabani, and the period that you were communicating with accused number 4 coincides with that period that Zungu was communicating with General Leshabani.
The question is too vague, my lord. It's not clear. The communication between the two officers and the communication between the two accused. If it can be unpacked properly so that we can understand.
Uyanqaba ke ummeli ukuthi lo mbuzo babuze wona ngoba manje athi ukhuluma kusho kufanele ukuthi ushaya ke inyoni ezimbili ngitsheli lodwa vo ngoba ukhuluma ngenkulumo kade isenzeka phakathi kwamaphoyisa amabili uZungu noLieutenant Colonel Leshabani bese aphinde abuye futhi akhulume ngawe nenkulumo kade ubanayo nomsola wesine manje ecacile kahle ukuthi ayishaye esikhonkosini asho ukuthi inhloso yalombuzo kuyini.
Well, certainly we have outlined the timelines that Constable Zungu was making contact with Lieutenant Colonel Leshabani. And that period, it's between 2018 and 2019.
Athokoqala ukhuluma ngodaba lwenkulumo kade khona phakathi koConstable Zungu futhi nomnumzana uLieutenant Colonel Leshabani. Kade inkulumo khona isenzeka phakathi komnyaka ka2018 futhi nomnyaka ka2019.
Now, in simpler terms, the period that you say you were communicating with accused number 4 falls within that period.
My apologies, my lord. The witness, he is requesting to have a sight of that paper in which you are reading from.
Oh, this one. So the gist of the question, Mr. Sbiya, is that the period of communication which you admit you are communicating with accused number 4 falls within the period that Constable Zungu says he was communicating with Lieutenant Colonel Leshabani. That is the essence of the question. Do you have any question? Any comment? Sorry.
Athi into ekhulumayo ukuthi ngesikhathi lesi uZungu bekakhulumisana nephoyisa ukade ku Lieutenant Colonel Leshabani nawe eceleni ngapha bolokhu uxhumana nomsola wesine manje ngabe khona yini into ofuna ukuthi ikhulume ngothi lekhathi lezi ezimbili zicishe zahambisana.
Ngicela ukuyibeka kanje mina ukufonelana kaZungu noLeshabani angeni ndawo angikwazi and akusibona bodwa abantu boyithuba befonelana la eSouth Africa ngaleso sikhathi leso babe baningi abantu ababefonelana mina mangifonelana noMaphisa ngifonelana noMaphisa ngibuza impilo kuye angazi lutho ngendaba yokufonelana kaLishabangu noZungu angeni ndawo lapho.
I would simply like to answer to your question, my lord, as follows. I don't want to be involved in the communication which happened between Constable Zungu and Lieutenant Colonel Lishabane, and I know nothing about their communication, and they were not the only two people who communicated during that time here in South Africa. And coming back to the issue between myself, not to the question between myself and Mr. Mapisa, we were communicating simply because of I was checking up on him, and he would also do the same.
La ukufonelana kwethu akusikho siqale ngo2018 ngoba ngibona ngiboleka leli phepha kuwe nje ngifuna ukuthola ukuthi ngo2020 akaze sifonelane kodwa kuleli phepha lela kuvela ngo2020 safonelana kodwa mina naye ngo2020 safonelana.
And the reason as to why I asked to have a side of this document from you, my lord, it is because of I wanted to check, not to see whether does it depicts the communication which happened during the year 2020, and unfortunately I did not see that, and we did not start our communication during the year 2018.
Oh, na kusengiyakubona ka 2020 ukuthi safonela ngo2020. So ukufonelana kwami nokufonelana no Maphisa angeke kuze ukuthatha ukuhlanganise nokufonelana kwami no Maphisa ukuhlanganise nokufonela kaZungu noLishabane. Asikwazi ukuthi babefonelana ukuthi wawenzakalana, asikwazi.
And my apologies.
And the 2018 uLishabangu bengamazi ngize ngimbona. 2018 uZungu bese ngeke ngambona kodwa bengamazi ngiqala ukumazi 2019.
And my apologies, I do see the year 2020, it is depicted here on this document, and we were communicating, myself and accused number 4, and I would check up on him and he would also do the same. However, please don't take this and link it with the communication which happened or which was happening between Zungu and Lishabane. And bear in mind, I did not know Lishabane back then, even though I only knew Zungu by only seeing him once during the year 2017.
Bona babekhuluma indaba yabo bekhuluma yokufa kaSenzo, mina bengazi lutho ngokufa kaSenzo. And bengakhuluma indaba yokufa kaSenzo no Maphisa ngoba mina angazi lutho indaba yokufa kaSenzo angeni ndawo ekufeni kaSenzo.
What was happening between their discussion, I know nothing about it, and I don't even have anything to do with it. And coming back to the communication which happened between myself and Mr. Mapisa, we were only communicating our own things, and I knew nothing about the death of Senzo, and I never discussed the death of Senzo with accused number 4.
Yesterday, when we were dealing with your call data, Exhibit DD5, D in Roman figure 1, we referred to the number of Zungu, 07 of, Sifiso Gwabeni Zungu, 076 998 5812. Remember.
Bakhulumile ngodaba la kaSifiso uGwabeni umfowabo kwaZungu ole inombolo zakhe ilandelayo efundeka ngalendlela elandelayo ukuthi u076 998 85812.
Now, if one looks at exhibit DD5 in brackets 1, the affidavit of.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Can I have the document back?
Comment.
Must I comment?
Yes.
La ifoni ka number 2 eveza lento le. Mina akukho lapho engena khona efonini ka number 2.
This is depicted under accused number 2's cell phone, and I don't know anything, no, I don't want to be involved in what is depicted under accused number 2's cell phone.
Mina la ngizela ukuthi uzongibuza imibuzo le uzongibuza yona ngiphendule yona eqondene nami, hayi ukuthi ungitshene ngento ka number 2 ukuthi number 2 vele phone kabani akuveli phone kabani.
I am only here to listen to the questions and also to answer the questions that only pertains to myself, not something which relates to accused number 2.
Now, except for the two numbers that you were using, 0793-790-137 as per exhibit DD5D in brackets Roman figure 1, as well as another number 060-7746-749. We're using any other number.
My apologies, my lord. Can you please repeat the first number? I did get the second one.
Sorry. please.
Manje umbuzo ke mfowethu kumelana neinombolo zocingo ezimbili, inombolo zocingo eziwela ngaphansi kwemibukiso ka DD5.
Welcome to the fire where the stakes ignite, where the questions burn hotter than the night. No escape once you're locked in the heat. This is your trial on the hot seat.